Hi, my name is Han. I have a 5-year-old daughter and a 3-year-old son.
Hi, I'm Camilla. I have 2 boys, Kieran who's 4 and Nolan who's 2.
I have 3 young children. I have an 8-year-old boy, a 5-and-a-half-year-old son, and also a 3-year-old daughter.
Well, I joined parent effectiveness training because I wanted to be a better parent. I wanted to better communicate with my children. And I noticed that there was a little bit of conflict between them, my older and younger one.
Well, I always talk to my girlfriends about issues that I'm having with my kids. A few of them had actually taken this course and they were like, have you heard of PET? This wonderful course that they took, and they really thought it gave them the skill set to deal with their kids when they're having similar issues and problems. So I just thought, why not give it a try? And it's been great.
The PET course provides a framework, and it helped me assess my situation and helped me distinguish the ownership of problem. Whether a problem is a child-owned, whether the problem is a parent-owned, or whether do both owns this problem.
Well, there are a lot of things that we learned during the course, and I think the most valuable one for me was learning about conflict between you and your child. Knowing where the root issue was stemming from basically helps you resolve it and helps you communicate with them more effectively.
I think after training I've become more aware of myself and my child, but it's really the self-awareness that has been elevated. Having that awareness calms me down and also calms my children down as well, just understanding that it's not just them trying to throw a tantrum.
Well, it helped me become more aware when they're upset, to be able to hold space for them, to be more patient and to guide them, knowing that they cannot regulate their own emotions. Going to this course really gave me the tools to become more patient, or to become more aware, and to ask the right questions and communicate in a way that my child can understand.
One of the tools I've learned in this class is there are roadblocks. That when the children's having a meltdown, there are things we should not do. For example, we shouldn't criticize, we shouldn't comment, we shouldn't give too much suggestions. When the kid is having a meltdown, when they're height of the emotions, we should give him time and space to allow him to have that meltdown.
I would say that my relationship with my kids have definitely improved, especially when we're faced with conflict. I feel like you don't have that very hard conflict anymore because I do have the skills now to approach it with clarity and kind of a calmness.
I definitely recommend this course to mothers, fathers, and not only parents. I would recommend anyone who has a relationship with a partner, with coworkers, with your mother, with your grandparents. It's just allows you a framework, allows you practical tools to communicate with anyone. It teaches you how to deal with conflicts. It broadens your horizon, your awareness.
I would say if you're curious, just try it. Keep an open mind, try it. There's nothing to lose and lots to gain.
Parenting is not a hopeless task. I can definitely be improved, and it's actually something that we need help with and something that we can learn about. I think PET really gave me skills and knowledge that I think I wasn't as aware of before, or even thought about applying to parenting. So a lot of the skills that they teach you, you might apply in a work setting, to a colleague, but actually a lot of it has been really helpful for family, and also, actually day-to-day relationships too, but yes, so definitely try it out.